Okay, let's try this analytical geometry exam question, and you've got this whole thing here with a big triangle. They tell us that this is a right angle. It's ABC is the triangle. They tell us it's 90 degrees right there, so that's a right angle triangle. It's 1 in Q. They don't tell us what P is up here, but they give us the midpoint. They tell us that -1 and 3 is right in the middle of these 2 points. So how do you know that P is equal to 9? Well, what you can do is the middle point here, the middle y coordinate is 3, we should be able to go -3 plus P, divide by 2, and then get that 3. We just use the midpoint theorem, and we only care about the y coordinates because we're looking at P, so that's what we do. We go P plus -3 over 2. That's it. We don't actually care about the first one. You'll see that it works. 3 plus -5 over 2 gives us the -1. P plus -3 over 2. Well, you multiply both sides by 2, you get 6. You bring the 3 over, and P is 9. The next question says, calculate the gradient of AB. Well, now that we got B is 7 and 2, A is, just use the gradient formula. What do? You subtract the y coordinates, 2 minus -3, and 7 minus -5. That's 5 over 12. Now we have the gradient of the line AB. I think we've got time to let's do the coordinates of D. The coordinates of D, gee, we'd like to know what that is there. If we could figure out the equation of this line and then let y equal 0, we'd have the answer. Well, we've got the gradient of the line, and we can just use a point. We can get the equation of that line. So we put 5 over 12 in there, and then we put 2 in for y, 7 in for x. That's the gradient point formula. There's the equation of the line. 5 over 12 times -7 plus 2, you can do it in your calculator, you get -11 over 12. Now D is the x-intercept, so we just let y equal 0. Well, we multiply everything by 12. We get 5x minus 11 equals 0. Add 11, divide by 5. You just solve this carefully. And you get rid of the fractions by multiplying everything by 12. That makes it easy. 5x equals 11. Then divide by 5, and you get x is 11 over 5. So there you go. D must be 11 over 5 and 0. Calculate the length of AC. Well, we know P is 9. They told us that, and we figured it out. So you just put it in the distance formula. Subtract the x-coordinates, 3 plus 5, and then 9 plus 3, 8 squared plus 12 squared. It's 208 is AC squared, so AC is the root of 208. And I think they said leave it in surd form. So there's your answer for root 13. There you go.